So yesterday I saw on YouTube that HighLevel has updated their Ask AI feature in the AI employee. So I want to check it out. The AI employee is up here, or Ask AI is up here. This little blue icon. So how can I help you? You can do these different things to summarize a contact, all that. But the example that he showed was like create a contact named Joe Blow with the email joe@gmail.com and tag, let's just try it. Let's go for it and tag this new contact hot lead, something like that. Let's see what it does. So my understanding is, I believe he said it has integration with their MCP server or client or something, and so because of that, you should be able to, um, control basically the CRM through Ask AI. So contact, I don't know. It's I adding Joe Blow, blah blah blah. So I don't really see a confirmation of that. But let's go over to contacts. Let's do there we go. Search. There it is, Joe Blow right here. So if I go in there, Joe Blow email. Let's see the lead. Let's look at for the like a tag on this here. Tag hot lead. Look at that. That's pretty crazy. So you should be able to do like all kinds of stuff. Basically, I don't know why it doesn't give a better confirmation that this person has been created. But let's say like how many opportunities do I have in my pipeline? Hmm. Yeah, it doesn't answer me on that. So I don't know. I'm not quite sure how this all works, but I did see them do something like this lead thing in the example, and that alone is pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to learning more about this. How about you? Have you checked it out yet? Do you have the AI employee, and have you been using Ask AI? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.